Hey everybody, it's Neil. I got myself a micro SD cards. I got a bunch of these because I'm going on a safari and I needed it for my, what's it called? My Insta360 X3. And so I got myself this. So check this thing out. It's like a little card holder, like, you know, what you would normally put business cards in. But instead of putting business cards in, you have the ability to put little SD cards in there. So let's give this thing a shot. Put one of these in. It's even shaped and formed for it. So there. So that's what it looks like. So there, my first card is in, and it can hold 4, 8, 12. I only have like 5 that I'm taking, but pretty cool. Nice little thing, and it's closed up and ready to go. So I'm going to say this thing is awesome. This is going in my bag, so I'll be able to hold a lot of SD cards instead of having all those little separate little containers and stuff for them, or having whatever else. So just be able to carry it with this. So I'm going to say this is awesome. What brand is this? 12 slots micro SD card, doesn't say, but it's very cool. So thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.